Hello and welcome from Blackpool Pleasure Beach. We're here again. It's probably going to be the last time that we're here this year because it's right at the end of the season now. It's a soggy, cold, wet day today, isn't it?
I've got 2 coats on.
You've got 2 coats on.
Oh,
Eden's got a few layers on as well. Casper, what have you got on? You've got a nice big thick coat on. You've got your hat, you've got your gloves, looking very autumnal there. So yeah, it's going to be, I think it seems really quiet looking at the app so far. Everything's sort of on 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah, there's nobody around here.
Which is really good because it's a Saturday as well and it's Bonfire night. So that's the main reason we've come today, to be able to look at the fireworks.
If they're on, because it's chugging it down.
Yeah, so last year they were cancelled due to the weather, so hopefully that's not going to be the case today. It's the first time we've been here for the fireworks for quite a long time, isn't it?
We're saying it's probably about 15 years.
Don't give it away, people will know how old we are then. But yeah, it probably is about 15 years since we last came. Casper wasn't even a thing then, so that's how long ago it was. But
we don't even remember it.
No, so yeah, it was quite a while ago anyway. So yeah, we're going to have a look around, we're going to get on some rides because it looks, as I say, it looks really quiet. So where do you want to go first?
Casper can pick.
Casper, what do you want to go on first?
Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, nice.
Oh, so Casper picked Alice in Wonderland. We'll see you over there. So we've just come off a walk on Alice in Wonderland to start the day. So that was Casper's suggestion there. So what do you think about it, dude?
I liked it. And the queue was really short.
The queue was really short, straight on, wasn't it?
Always it's like a very long queue there.
Yeah, it does normally have a long queue. So that's good today, isn't it? So it's really quiet today. And of course, what did Eden think about it? Did you like it, Eden?
Yeah.
Yeah? She says yeah, she really enjoyed it. So it's nice when we could all get on a ride and enjoy it together, isn't it? So Casper's in charge today, so what are you doing next then?
Ghost train.
Casper says ghost train, so we'll see you over there. So we just come off the ghost train and that was probably about 10-minute wait, maybe 5 minutes just to get on it. No queue at all really, especially given it's a Saturday. But it's absolutely miserable weather. I'm not sure you can see behind, just absolutely lashed it down. It is meant to stop at the time of recording at 3 o'clock and it is now, hold on, 2 o'clock, so in an hour's time it's going to be cracking the flags here. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So Robbie's just updated me, it's changed on the app now, unsurprisingly. It's quite weird because in there, the scene through the garden where the bat spreads his wings and the spiders come down the conveyor, the lights were completely off, so that's quite weird really, so that the lights were off in that area, so that's interesting. And then the scene with the train tunnel, where it was, last time I went through it was quiet, but this time there was no musical noise whatsoever, so that's quite strange. It's quite an interesting experience going through there really today, it's very different. So what do you think about it, Casper?
Very good.
Very good, it's one of your favourites, isn't it? So, that's the ghost train, that's Alice, what do you want to do next?
River Caves.
River Caves?
Yeah.
Right, let's go to River Caves then, let's do it. So we've made our way down to Nickelodeon Land. We did go to the Big Dipper, unfortunately it's closed today, so that's a big shame, isn't it? We're getting itself ready for next year for its 100th birthday. It's got to make itself look beautiful, hasn't it? So then we went to go on Wallace and Gromit, and because the weather's so horrendous, obviously that's the one ride that's actually got a queue. So we've come down to Nickelodeon Land. So we've been on the Fairly Odd Parent taxis that you can just see behind us there. So they absolutely love that. So it's a bit like the fairground bouncers, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit, mixed with like Tower of Terror.
So basically,
Maybe not.
You've seen them. It looks like a standard kids flat rides, like you might see at Thomas Land at Drayton Manor, where it just goes up and just goes around. But a bit like similar to Dumbo at Disneyland, you actually control the actual ride with the button. You press it. However, when you release the button, it's quite sudden, isn't it?
Yeah, and then it's like bounces.
So
If you don't like bouncing.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, because if you press the button and then release it and then press it again, you get a proper bouncing sensation, which is quite intense for little kids. He didn't seem to like it, but Casper did love it, didn't you, Cass? But then we went on the blue flyer. You can just see the blue behind us there, which is the kids' wooden roller coaster. Eden went on it. She has been on it before, twice in fact, but no, 3 times. In fact, she's been on 3 times. She didn't cry. That's a good thing, but she did look quite scared. If you've seen the film Total Recall, you know when he cracks his mask and his eyes start trying to pop out of his head. That's kind of what she looked like on it. I feel like a little bit of a mean parent, if I'm being honest. we're going to go and look at some shops now, and then perhaps go on something a little bit more sedate because I feel really mean. She's having chocolate now, too cold. Don't worry, we're not that bad.
Wait, Krista!
We just had a funny moment there back at the Nickelodeon stage there. So unfortunately you can't film when you have your pictures taken with any of the characters there, unless you're on the main stage. So I couldn't get it on camera, but Eden was trying to get having a picture taken with Sky and Chase of the Paw Patrol, and ended up deciding she was going to take a seat right on Sky's foot. So it's quite an interesting place for her to perch anyway. But yeah, so it really is dead here today. It's absolutely brilliant. So we're heading around now towards where the big one is, and there really is no queues at all. I just hope that, given the weather, because it is absolutely hammering down with the hood up there. She's got two hoods. So I'm just hoping that it doesn't cancel the fireworks, because that's the reason we've come really. We're not really too fussed about the...
We did say we'd come late this afternoon because if the fireworks get cancelled, there's the illuminations to go see. So.
Yes, the idea is we're going to go here and we are going to go to the illuminations as well, so that's going to be quite good anyhow. But yeah, hopefully they don't, and it'll all work out and we get to do both, but we'll see, because it is a bit soggy. Might not have come here for the rides today. The main priority was the, oh man, Icon's amazing, was to come and see the fireworks, but when the queue's so short for Icon, you can't not go on the best ride in the country. I'm so lucky to have this on my doorstep, and I can't wait to get on it today. The weather's absolutely horrendous, but it appears to have actually stopped just for us to be able to go on this ride, so I can't wait. So let's get on Icon. Absolutely incredible. So I've just come off Icon, it's about a 10-minute wait there, absolutely amazing. It's running on 2 trains, Enzo's running, it's running all day. Didn't go for Enzo today, just straight onto the Icon train. About third row in, just never had a bad ride on that, it's absolutely phenomenal. You can see why it's the best ride in the country. And it just gets better and better, smoother and smoother. It's a great ride, I'm done. So we've just come off Eden's very first time on Wallace and Gromit. So, and what did you think of it?
Did you like Gromit?
She loved it. Oh, it was great to be able to get her whole family on that. So it was a really nice ride. No queue as well, so straight on it. So that's great. So we're just going to go on the train now for the final ride of the day. And before the fireworks start, it's just reaching golden hour now, so let's hopefully get some good ride interactions and some good pictures on there. What do you think, Cass?
Really good.
Let's go do the Pleasure Beach Express.
4, 3, 2, 1. days and bring you fun. Also, I harvest the breeze. You're welcome. Businesses and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pull from the sea. There's only pay to pay. You're welcome. Yes, it's just my way of being me. You're welcome. And thank you.
Right, that is the end of our day. We've just had the fireworks, and I have to say, I think they were better than last time. They were really good. I'm going to have to move this because I'm putting everything out. Yeah, I think they were better than last time. They went on for about 10 minutes roughly, wasn't it? So it was a nice little show. To think it's including admission as well, and it wasn't really expected that we were going to have them on, so it's really nice. And what a nice way to round up the theme park official season as well. So did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, and you enjoyed the fireworks?
Yeah, it was good.
Brilliant. And Casper, what did you think? Because it was your day today.
I liked them.
You liked them? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Well, look forward to the next season. We've got Alton Towers coming up next week with Run Alton, and then that's pretty much the season wrapped up until we go to Christmas stuff. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, say bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.